Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. If you are in the private security industry, you know that well-trained personnel are the backbone of effective security operations. But what exactly does ISO 18788 require when it comes to training security personnel? In today's video, we'll break down the ISO 18788 training requirements, why they matter, and how security companies can implement them. Let's get started. Why training is essential under ISO 18788? ISO 18788 is all about establishing a professional, legal, and ethical framework for private security operations. One of the most important aspects of this standard is proper training for all security personnel, reduces operational risk, and improves situational awareness. Ensures security staff follow legal and human rights obligations, enhances professionalism, discipline, and accountability, builds a trust with clients and regulatory bodies. Without proper training, security companies face legal issues, operational failures, and reputational damage. Key training areas required by ISO 18788. So what does ISO 18788 require security personnel to be trained on? Here are the key areas. Legal and human rights training, understanding local laws, regulations, and international standards, compliance with human rights laws and ethical conduct guidelines, proper procedures for handling detainees and use of force and rules of engagement. Training on de-escalation techniques and non-lethal responses, when and how to use force in a lawful and proportionate manner. Firearms safety and handling, where applicable. Risk and threat assessment, identifying security threats and vulnerabilities. Situational awareness and response planning. Crisis management and emergency response training. Incident reporting and accountability. Proper documentation and reporting of security incidents, understanding internal investigation procedures, ensuring compliance with ISO 18788's accountability framework, cultural sensitivity and community engagement, working respectfully with local communities and stakeholders, avoiding discrimination and unethical behavior, building trust through professional and responsible security practices. How security companies can implement ISO 18788 training. Now that we know what security personnel need to be trained on, let's talk about how security companies can ensure compliance with ISO 18788's training requirements. Develop a structured training program. Create a formal training curriculum covering all ISO 18788 requirements. Ensure training is regularly updated based on changing threats and laws. Use certified instructors and training providers. Hire qualified professionals to deliver training sessions. Work with recognized security training institutions. Conduct regular assessments and drills. Perform practical exercises, role-playing and real-world simulations. Evaluate personnel through written tests, field assessments, and audits. Document and maintain training records. Keep detailed records of employee training and certification. Ensure records are auditable for ISO 18788 compliance checks. Promote a culture of continuous learning. Encourage security personnel to stay updated on laws, policies, and practices. Provide refresher courses and ongoing professional development. And there you have it, ISO 18788's training requirements for security personnel. Proper training isn't just about meeting standards, it's about building a professional, ethical, and effective security workforce. Companies that invest in high-quality training will not only meet compliance requirements, but also improve their reputation and operational success. What do you think about these training requirements? Let's discuss in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more security industry insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.